Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back from another video from MTI Forex and Technical Consultancy and Training, and I hope you guys are having a good day, and let's go into the video. Yes, today I just want to show you how simple is it to trade using your phone. Okay, I wouldn't say it's very simple or anything. Okay, I just want to pinpoint that you can also trade with your phone fully and you do not require a laptop or PC or anything. But remember, before you start your trade, be sure to know your basics. Okay, I already uploaded my basic knowledge in this YouTube channel. You can go and watch it. And if you want a better improvised basic knowledge, you can comment here. Okay, I will do another video for basic. Okay, it's a very basic thing, and all the things that you need to know before you start your forex trading. Okay, to all my Malaysian viewers, okay, I'm sorry I'm not using the bahasa Malaysia. Okay, just want to I just want to tell you guys that okay, we are having views from worldwide. Okay, I just want to make sure it's everyone understand the language. Okay, if you want a video in bahasa Malaysia, please comment down. Okay, I will do a separate video in bahasa Malaysia fully. Okay, so I don't want to waste some time. Okay, before we start, just press the subscribe button, like this video, and comment whatever you have. Okay, whatever opinion you got, whatever things, whatever the critics, I don't mind. Just comment below. Okay, so okay, if you see this is the app that I'm using. Okay, it's called Trading View. Okay, just download this app, whether it's an app store or it's a play store. Okay, just click on it. Okay, I just want to say it's a really easy way. Okay, first, if you want to add a currency in your main page of the Trading View, you just click the plus button. Okay, you see the okay, just click the plus button at the edge of your screen. Okay, and then you can add any of the currency or any of the stocks you need. Okay, all you need right now is these three stuff. First is the gold versus USD, and then you need a Great British Pounds, okay, versus USD, and then need a US dollar currency index. Okay, I will explain to you what are these three stuff needed for. Okay, first of all, if you guys are really beginner, please take your itchy hands off the gold versus USD. Come on guys, you are really beginner. Don't you dare to press that gold button. Okay? You are not supposed to trade gold when you are really beginner. You don't have enough knowledge, don't have enough basic knowledge to trade that. Okay, gold is really tricky. Yes, I know it can give you a big return, and also it can fuck you up really a lot. Okay, sorry for the language. Okay, I just want to be frank. Okay, you guys should know, no one in this world is so good enough to give you free money like that. Okay, they want to make it seems like they're giving you free money, but it's not really easy, guys. There is no such thing as easy money. It's all hard earned or smart earned money. Okay, hard earned is you go to work 9 to 6 or 9 to 9, I don't know, 12 hours, 8 hours, maybe 24 hours. Smart earned is you contribute your life 24 hours each and every day to reach a certain level that you don't need to work too much to accomplish what you were doing before. Okay, the goal the goal is financial freedom. Financial freedom doesn't mean that you will just sit there idling and the money will come. No, no, no. Okay, you still need to work, but you will be working much less because you already learn the tricks and skills. Okay, first, okay, since this is a beginner friendly video, I'm not going to touch the gold versus USD. Okay, I'm just going to show you what is the US dollar index. Okay, see, this is the chart. Okay, this is the technical analysis chart. Okay, with the candlestick. Okay, blue represent the bull, red represent the bear. Okay, all the normal stuff. Okay, what you should know here is, okay, okay, I'm just gonna zoom out. Okay, what does this US dollar index have to do with the forex? It has everything. It has literally everything to do with the forex, because every major currency, most of the major currency will be dependent on the US dollar. And most of the trade is dependent on US dollar. I know, okay, Russian Ukraine war, they are saying things, but it's still US in power. Okay, I don't know for how long, but we are going to use this US dollar index until that long. Okay, US dollar index represent how strong is the US currency right now. Okay, these are all the ingredients from a US stocks, US bonds, US capital equity, every single shit US has to do with US is combined here. Okay, combined here to show you how strong is the US dollar right now. Okay, is it strong? Let's see. Okay, let's change this. Let's change it to 1 week. Okay, US was stronger before this, but it fall right under the, okay, if you see, okay, let me draw something. Okay, if you guys realize, this was the highest point US has reached since 2013 or something. Okay, you realize before that this was the highest, and guess what, it came back to point. As if you guys know, there is resistance, there is support. Okay, for now this is the supporting area, this is the newest resistance area. If it managed to break this resistance, you know it, US going to be stronger and powerful more. But it doesn't mean that it break one high, come to support, and it will continue going up. No, no, no. It can happen. Anything can happen in certain time. Okay, the Ukraine-Russian war are not over. Okay, there are many speculation saying that US dollar will be falling soon. Okay, I don't care about that. Okay, we just focus on what the chart gives you, what the technical analysis give you right now. Okay, that's what matters. Okay, okay, let's go to the 1 day chart. Okay, oh shit, sorry. Okay, so you see here, guys, let me zoom out, let me zoom right here. Okay, if you see on the overall movement, okay, come on. Okay, there is not much movement, it's just in between this support area. Okay, just moving up and down within the area. Okay, what you need to know whether there is a going to a major movement in the chart of any forex index, there should be a break anywhere here or there, whether it's a up on the bottom. Okay, there should be a breakthrough, so that we know there is going to be a major breakthrough. If nothing much is happening, okay, we just focus on this area. How are we going to focus on this area and trade? Go to a smaller time frame. Okay, we take 4 hours. Nice. Okay, okay, we get the smaller picture now. Okay, just gonna erase all these lines. Okay, we take the smaller picture. Okay, if you guys can see right here on the smaller picture, okay, the US is attempting to go up. Okay, I say it's attempting, not to say for sure, for real or nothing. Okay, it's just going to attempting to go there. Okay, and then there is a support. Okay, we just take the support which is very near to there. Okay, okay, this is the nearest support. Okay, so guys, there is only 50-50. Okay, it's in the right, in the middle. Okay, it's not like dead center or like that. Okay, it is in the middle. It can go up. Okay, the movement can be like this or like this. Okay, what you need to wait for, small breakthrough. See right here, this is a small resistance. Okay, then if you see right here, there's a small spot. Okay, either one, it should break. If there is a breakthrough, then it will go up. Okay, so remember this, guys, whatever the currency is, if it has USD in that currency word, how does it can be related in this? Okay, if that currency has USD on the back, for example GBP USD, it's on the back. So if the currency here, if US here goes up, that particular currency chart will be going down, because the base is US dollar, the major is the Great Britain pounds. So if US is going up, it means US is getting stronger than Britain pound, so the currency is moving down into the, okay, so it means the currency is on US dollars advantage. But if the US dollar index is going down, breakthrough, so the Great Britain pound will be going up, so GBP USD will be going up. Okay, that's how you can relate. All right, Okay, so let's do a small homework. Okay, let's see whether you guys can see here. Okay, this particular spike. Okay, this particular spike. Let's see when there is this particular spike happens. The currency GBP as it going, as it drop, as it go down. Okay, let's mark the date. Okay, so it start from 4th May. Okay, let's take this. Okay, from 11 May until 30th May. 11 May until 30th May. So where is 11 May? See, this is 10 May. So 11 May is start here, and I guess this would be a 30th May. So 30th May is right here. So guys, can you see there is a big drop? This is the this is a big drop. Okay. See, when the US dollar gets stronger, the Britain pound drop because US pound was stronger than Britain pound at that certain point of time. Okay, so this is how you relate US dollar index with the GBP USD. Okay, how do you use US dollar index in your trading? This is how. Okay, it doesn't mean that you only study technical analysis for the Britain pound versus US dollar. Okay, it also comes from the technical analysis you have done for the US dollar index. Okay, the forex is currency trading. Okay, you need to see all kind of aspect before you start to trade. Okay, so guys, this is my simple idea for you to trade, and make sure you trade safely, you don't get greedy. Okay, do your homework. Okay, learn more and earn more. Okay guys, that's all from me today. See you all in next video.